आई एम श्योर आप सभी ये वाले ड्रॉर के लिए वेट कर रहे होंगे क्योंकि अब तक हमने तो आई शेडो पैलेट्स ही नहीं देखे हैं। सो यहाँ पे मेरे सारे आई शेडो पैलेट्स है एंड और कुछ अलग पैलेट्स भी आप देखेंगे जैसे लिप पैलेट एंड हाइलाइटर पैलेट। बेसिकली मैं ये वाले ड्रॉर में अपने पैलेट्स रखती हूँ। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू गो थ्रू दिस ड्रॉर, one of the most interesting drawers, guys. I honestly don't need these many eyeshadow palettes. In fact, मैंने और 4 palettes खरीदे, 4 नहीं, I think 5. There are 5 more palettes, guys, जो मैंने recently खरीदे हैं। वो मैंने अब तक इस ड्रॉर में रखे नहीं हैं because I want to do a haul video. वो वीडियो होने के बाद I'll store those palettes in this drawer. But now let's go through all these gorgeous palettes. So, जो अभी मैंने अपना कैमरा है ट्राईपॉड पर माउंट कर दिया है बिकॉज इट वॉज गेटिंग अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू शूट। ये सब तीनों ड्रॉर्स के लिए, जो ऊपर के 3 ड्रॉर्स के थे उसके लिए कैमरा को हाथ में पकड़ना ज़्यादा बेटर था, लेकिन फॉर दिस ड्रॉर इट इज़ बेटर कि अगर मैं अपने कैमरा को ऐसे माउंट करूँ। एनीवे, सो नाउ आई एम हैंड्स फ्री. Here I have all my Juvia's eyeshadow palettes. I absolutely love the quality of Juvia's eyeshadows. They are really nice, pigmented. जैसे ये पैलेट में से जैसे एक हाथ आई शेडो हो सकता है कि इतना पिगमेंटेड ना हो या अच्छे से ब्लेंड ना करे, जैसे ये पैलेट में से ये वाला है. और this one is, by the way, they are the Tribe palette. Love this one. I have so many Juvia's eyeshadow palettes, guys, so I'm going to quickly go through them. Then there are the Nubian, the Deuce, this one. Love the color story, very unique. The Warrior. Yeah, here we have all matte shadows. Again, the Warrior. Oh, this one was the Warrior 2 and this one is just the Warrior. Look at the size of the pans. They're huge and these are so affordable, guys. I love ColourPop's eyeshadow palettes also, जो मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगी. Like affordable भी है and quality भी बहुत अच्छी है. Then this is the Saharan. आप देख सकते हैं so many Juvia's palettes. Then the Saharan 2, okay? तो ये वाला the Saharan था. This one is the Saharan 2. Love the color story of this one. Love it. Then I think this was the first palette जो Juvia's ने launch किया था, the Masquerade. This is the mini version. People were just loving this palette. ये वाला पैलेट मैंने अब तक यूज़ नहीं किया. आई डोंट नो फॉर व्हाट गुड रीज़न. एक्चुअली बहुत सारे आई शेडो पैलेट्स है जो मैंने इतना यूज़ नहीं किया, लेकिन इसे तो टच भी नहीं किया. एट द मोस्ट आई थिंक स्वॉच किया रहेगा, वो भी किया कि नहीं पता नहीं. नो, दिस इज लिटरली अनटच्ड. आई हैवंट इवन टच्ड दिस पैलेट, गाइस. नॉट स्वॉच्ड, नथिंग. दिस इज द Nubian 2 and the Magic. Look at the colors, like too good. If you have Juvia's palettes, I don't think so you'll require any other eyeshadow palette. But if you love collecting palettes, then it's a completely different story. अब यहाँ पर जो है, this is my Anastasia's lip palette. Here I have all my ColourPop's eyeshadow palettes, guys. I'm just going to quickly go through. This is their Double Entendre palette. Then Chasing Rainbows. Love this one. Dream Street Kathleen Lights ColourPop collaboration. This one was a limited edition one, but I really feel that they should bring it back and make it permanent because the colors are stunning. Then Give It To Me Straight. Good Sport. Love the color story of this one. Element of Surprise. Then the very famous Cute AF. Okay, so we are done with Juvia's and ColourPop. Let's move on to this section now. Here I have kept my Huda Beauty's 3D highlighter palette. अगर आप देखेंगे मेरे वो highlighter tray में, ये वाले drawer में, there was no, I mean there was like space, but it was not very comfortable or convenient, I would say. So ये है मेरा हुडा ब्यूटी का 3D पैलेट, हाइलाइटर पैलेट, गोल्डन सैंड्स एडिशन. देन कलर पॉप्स इन्यूरेंडो. देन एनास्टेसिया's ग्लो किट. ये इसको कौन नहीं जानता है, लाइक I have also kept my NYX का highlight and contour pro palette. And lastly we have Anastasia's modern renaissance eyeshadow palette. I need to start using these palettes, guys. Now let's move on to this section. First we have our Dose of Colors Francation palette. Love this one. And मैंने यहाँ पर अपना Krylon का Supra color palette भी रखा है. It's a foundation palette. Then my favorite Makeup Geek shadows. ये Z palette है, उसमें मैंने Makeup Geek के shadows रखे हैं. Then this one is from PAC, और ये सारे PAC के shadows हैं. The palette is also from PAC. Then ये है MAC का NT palette. कुछ भी नहीं है, लेकिन कभी भी काम आ सकता है if I buy single shadows. So yeah. Then this is Morphe's and Kathleen Light's collaboration palette. I used to really like this one. Very famous Jaclyn Hill palette. Can you believe, guys, मैंने इसे एक बार भी यूज़ नहीं किया, एक बार भी नहीं. And ये कब से है मेरे पास, like कब से. Don't worry, बहुत ही जल्द ट्यूटोरियल आने वाला है. I'm going to create a lot of looks using this palette. I think ये अभी नहीं मिलता है, लिमिटेड एडिशन था. ये है Morphe का Dare to Create 39A आई शैडो पैलेट. इसे भी मैंने एक बार भी यूज़ नहीं किया है. Look at this. But it is a lovely palette. So now let's move on to this pile, guys. यहाँ पे मैंने ये सारे shadows store किए हैं. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly go through these. So the first one we have is Huda Beauty's Neon palette. Okay. Then Huda Beauty's Ruby Obsessions. अब स्टार्टिंग में अभी Huda Beauty के ये मिनी पैलेट्स देखोगे. Then Warm Brown Obsessions, Smoky Obsessions, one of my most used palettes. Then Amethyst Obsessions. This is Colourpop's Mar palette. This is their Ooh La La palette. I might be discarding this one. As you can see, इसमें moisture लग गया है. So I'm not really sure, guys, whether I'll be using this palette or not, or probably I can just pop this one out and keep the other shadows because बाकी सब अच्छे condition में है. Let's see. Then Pretty Much palette. This is also a really pretty one. And lastly we have NYX shadow palette. I think I'll be also discarding this one, but फिलहाल मैं रख देती हूँ यहाँ पर. So you see this pile. Okay, we are going to go through this one now. This is Inglot का palette. Okay, quad. We have these two pans. I really like this one. It's magnetic and such strong one. Like, the magnet is really strong. This is NYX Lid Lingerie palette. I will be discarding this one as well. Then this is Colourpop's Blush Highlighter palette. Love this one. One of my favorite palettes, guys. This is Urban Decay's Smoky palette. I don't know why a lot of people don't talk about this one. It is such a lovely palette. If you love to do smoky eyes, then I will highly recommend this one. I don't know if it's still available or they have discontinued, but I absolutely love this palette and I have used it quite a few times. Really love the formula, the blendability, pigmentation, and very unique cool toned shadows. And look at the packaging, like wow. फिर आपने Zoeva आई शेडोज़ के बारे में तो सुना ही होगा. So these are my Zoeva eyeshadow palettes. This is their caramel melange palette. Then their taupe eyeshadow palette. I need to discard this one now. I haven't used also ये इतना, but yeah. And lastly, Rose Golden palette. Okay, let's move on to this pile now. So यहाँ पर है Makeup Geek and Kathleen Lights का collaboration highlighter palette. I've used this one a lot. Very nice formula. Then a eyeshadow palette, my favorite Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette. Love it. Now I'm ready to discard the box. Huda Beauty's Rose Gold Remastered palette. I really need to let go of this box as well. So मैं दिखाती हूँ quickly. आपको तो पता ही कैसे दिखता है, but फिर भी. Then my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. Love this one. Bye bye box. Yeah, so this is the packaging. And yeah, look at these shadows. These are so pigmented and metallic in finish. Then Urban Decay's Born to Run eyeshadow palette. I need to go. So yeah, like it's just like perfect. And be ready guys, बहुत सारे tutorials आने वाले हैं. In this one, I don't think so I will let go of the outer packaging right now. This is Anastasia's and Jackie Aina's collaboration palette. Still haven't used this one. Look at this. Yes. Look at the colors. These shadows are so pretty guys. एक बार भी मैंने इसे यूज़ नहीं किया, but it's high time I should start using it. And lastly, Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk palette. Looks brand new. Obviously brand new लगेगा, यूज़ ही नहीं किया है. So let's go through this pile now. यहाँ पर मेरा Faces का Ultra Pro Face palette है. Really like this one. जैसे मैंने कहा इसमें मेजॉरिटी मेरे आई शैडो पैलेट्स है, बट अदर पैलेट्स भी आप देखेंगे. सो इन दिस ड्रॉर आई मेनली स्टोर माई पैलेट्स. ओके, सो ये मैक का पैलेट है, बट ये सारे कलर पॉप के शैडोज है, सिंगल शैडोज, इवन दीज वंस. देन दिस इज इंग्लॉट का पैलेट. ये बहुत साल पहले लिया था. एंड आई हैव दीज पैंट्स, मैक के 2 ब्लशर्स. दिस इज आई शैडो, अगेन इंग्लॉट का ये ब्लशर है, एंड इंग्लॉट का बनाना पाउडर. Honestly, I had completely forgotten about this palette and these 2 blushers. So I'm going to throw this one. I'm also going to let go of this one, this banana powder. We have Makeup Geek's palette. This is empty actually. Okay. Then we have Morphe's eyeshadow palette. These are gorgeous, and guys, look at it. Like, look at the shine. Lovely. Then one of my favorite blush palettes and affordable जो है वो है ये Makeup Revolution का blush palette. This one is called Hot Spice. I will highly recommend this one. And Tarte's Tartlet palette. These are the shadows. Then ये छोटा सा empty है, कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें. Last palette we have is this one. It is Sigma's Night Life eyeshadow palette. This was they had collaborated with Camila Coelho. She is an influencer, blogger, YouTuber. Look at the color story. It's very good, very unique, very different. And the quality of these shadows is also very nice, very smooth. I love this brown shadow. Love it. We just had this. ये मेकअप गीक का कॉन्टोर पैन है. या आई डोंट यूज दिस वन गाइज बिकॉज इट्स टू डार्क फॉर मी, लाइक टू डार्क. Yeah, as you can see, it's too dark for me, so I don't use this one. So we are done with our last drawer, guys, and I am so happy now कि आप सभी ने मेरा मेकअप कलेक्शन देख लिया है. Honestly, I don't require these many palettes, but किसी किसी का color story मुझे इतना पसंद आ जाता है that I cannot really stop myself from buying palettes. And sometimes, yeah, वो guilt trip पे मैं जाती हूँ कि what am I doing? Why do I have so many palettes? But then what to do? So that was my makeup collection, guys, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. And before I forget, I am discarding these 3 eyeshadow palettes, okay? NYX Lingerie, then NYX का ये Ultimate Shadow Palette, their Smoky and Highlight Palette, Zoeva का Taupe Eyeshadow Palette, and from this one, ये जो ColourPop का Ooh La La Palette है. You guys remember मैंने कहा था यहाँ पे जो एक आई शेडो था उसमें मॉइस्चर लग गया था, so I discarded that eye shadow. बाकी सब अच्छे कंडीशन में, so I'm keeping this palette. So then yeah, I shall see you guys very soon in my next one. Until next time, keep reviving your own fashion.